Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel Physics Surgery, and here we are in the Physics Surgery Quickies, wherein we bring forward you short little concepts that are very important for your JEE and Olympiad preparations. Okay, I genuinely call this as the fast food for thought section, and with confidence I can say this is one fast food which is harmless to students. Okay, so we have a problem wherein we are going to investigate the work done by a person who is trying to pull up on a spring but in a moving cart. Okay, and this work has to be calculated by us in a ground frame. Okay, so let's go to the formal wording of the question. So try to pause the video, try it for 1 minute and read the question and the wording very carefully, and then do come back for the concept and the solution explanation. Okay, so here we go. Man applying a constant force F upon a stretched spring stands in a railway carriage of a uniformly moving train. The time in which the train covers the distance L, the work done by the man in a coordinate system related to the earth will be FL minus FL 0 or FL by 2. Okay, so I hope you have given it a fair try. So now with that out of the way, let me investigate each and every important word here. Constant force F, already stretched spring. Remember, he's not stretching it during this problem. It's already stretched, and that's why he's able to apply a constant force. Okay, and uniformly moving train means it's moving with a constant velocity. That's what uniform motion is all about. And during this period where he has held this one with a constant force and already the spring is under a constant stretch, there is no continual extension here. Extension is there, but it's already fixed before you started the problem, and the distance L is covered. The work done by man. Okay, so this work done by man is of two types of works. One is the work done externally, and one is the work done using the internal mechanism. Okay, so and all of this is being asked with respect to ground. Okay, so with all these words carefully digested by us, let's move forward. And this problem was actually part of the practice problems in the video of work energy power revision series, and which there were 50 plus problems including some practice problems, and this was one of the practice problems. So some students requested for the solution, and you want to check out the rest of the problems, please go to this 1.5 hour video, link of which is in the description below. Okay, so a lot of things on the board. Just hold my hand, I'll take you through very carefully one by one. Okay, so the situation I have depicted here again in a shorter diagram. I'm thinking that the train is moving towards right. Okay, so Vt equal to L. V is constant, therefore Vt distance should be L. Now the man's FBD, if I cut off this person's picture and think of it, now velocity of the person as seen by the ground observer is V itself, constant. So acceleration is 0. So on him, due to the spring force, there should be a capital F that he's applying. The same force should get applied on him. And that point of application also moves towards right with the distance L. Whatever the train moves, he's not moving relative to the train or the carriage. He also should move moving, and therefore the point of application should move with distance L. And since his acceleration is 0, this capital F should be cancelled by something, and that obviously is the static friction from the feet on the ground. Okay, and this should be equal and opposite to this F to maintain A is 0. And the feet point where this point is applying this F is having a displacement also same as L. Entire body will move only towards right with the distance L. And work analysis from the ground frame on the rest of the carriage. So this capital F reversed and put up on that carriage, and this capital F, which is static friction, also on the floor acts in the rightward direction. So you should understand that these are the forces applied by the person on this carriage, which will be part of our work analysis. Okay, so these are three diagrams. Now let's start with man as system and write W all equal to delta Ke. For man as system, there is no delta Ke. He is continuously moving with same velocity, so this is 0. Work done by the external forces on the person is this force and this force. You see it's plus FL and this minus FL, they will cancel out. Okay, and therefore work done by internal forces of the person as he holds it. I know he's getting biologically tired. Biological tiredness and mechanical work are not related to each other, and therefore work done by internal mechanism or joints and all those is 0. Use this one. And then on the carriage as a system, this is important, work done by the external forces only will act. There's no internal mechanism here. Okay, and that work done by external agents are this F and this F, both again add up to 0. So this calculation will be true for both of these. Delta K is 0, And therefore total work done by man, this word means on carriage and on himself. Due to each of these separate calculations, it's 0 plus 0, which is supposed to be marked as the 0. So a lot of students did a mistake when I presented this problem in the practice situations. Okay, so answer has to be taken as the 0 here. Okay, so I hope you have liked this, and please do follow the rest of the series. The links of these playlists are in the description below or the I button above. And do go through the description. And in case you've liked it, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll come up with more such simple nuggets in the coming future, which will help you in your preparation and also in the enjoyment of the conceptual problem solving of physics. Okay, so thank you for staying this long, and see you in the next one.